Hello everyone, my name is Julius Mugwagwa, a Professor of Health Innovation and Public Policy at University College London, Department of Science, Technology, Engineering and Public Policy. So I'll be doing my professorial inaugural lecture, and the title of the lecture is Localization Matters, a Journey with the Life Sciences, Innovation and Public Policy. So a bit about myself. I have an eclectic background, which I've tried to capture in the title of the lecture. BSc and MSc degrees in biotechnology and MBA, and PhD in regulatory innovation. My work revolves around the development and governance implications of technologies and innovations. And I've done a number of research projects, or a lot of research in this area, looking at the kinds of innovation that are there in tackling health disparities, facilitating access to appropriate medicines, health system strengthening, and more broadly, good health and well-being. So the focus of the inaugural lecture will take me and the audience through a journey in which I've tried to bring together and locate myself in the interplay between the life sciences, innovation and public policy. As I said, I've carried out a number of projects and published significantly on issues relating to how resources are harnessed and deployed in health systems, how cross-national harmonization of regulatory systems happens or not for medicines and biotech systems, whether and to what extent local manufacturing is desirable or feasible in low and middle income countries, local manufacturing of health products, that is, and also how emerging technologies can be useful for tackling health disparities. So a number of core conceptual and empirical insights have emerged from my work, centering around the importance of context, the importance of localization, and the importance of agency. So I'll speak on some of the ideas that I've developed and some ideas that I've contributed to explore these issues. For example, notions of innovation ecosystems, policy gridlocks, policy kinetics, and new ideas on what I'm calling policy metabolism. So the lecture is quite significant. For me, it's an important moment to reflect on a journey which has very much been intentional, as much as it has been a journey where moments, ideas and people have interfaced at right places and times. It's a reflection on an effort to navigate through intellectual curiosity, intellectual restlessness, and the inexorable reality of a world in which the tussle between incumbent interests, ideas and institutions versus new ones is real, and how ultimately this shapes access to basics such as the right to health. So this is a ticketed event, which you can also watch online. You can get your ticket on the link which will be provided. Family, friends and colleagues, I thank you for being part of my academic journey so far, and I look forward to seeing many of you at the inaugural lecture.